Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Keurig Descaling Pods is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked maintenance items for any Keurig coffee maker owner, ensuring that your machine continues to brew delicious, hot coffee without any mineral buildup or clogs that can affect taste and performance over time. These specialized pods are designed to effectively remove scale and impurities from the internal components of your Keurig, thereby extending the lifespan of your brewer and guaranteeing a consistently great cup of coffee with every use, making them a must-have for anyone who cherishes their morning brew. Number 5. Quick and Clean Keurig Cleaning Pods, 6-pack. Tired of coffee stains and residue? Introducing our powerful cleaning pods, designed to keep your Keurig brewer in top condition. Simply pop one in and run a brew cycle. It's that easy to remove stubborn stains and maintain optimal performance. Our formula is non-toxic and eco-friendly, ensuring a safe cleaning experience for your home and the environment. Designed to work seamlessly with your Keurig 2.0 coffee machine, providing a perfect fit and effective cleaning every time. Experience the true taste of your coffee with a clean machine. These pods help eliminate lingering odors and tastes for a purer brew. This 6-pack ensures you have plenty of cleaning pods on hand. Keep your brewer consistently clean and ready for your daily coffee. What we like? This option is designed to tackle tough stains effectively. Its non-toxic and eco-friendly formula makes it a safe choice for your home. If you're looking for a cleaner that prioritizes both performance and environmental consciousness, this is the one for you. What people say. Very simple to use, was surprised how clean the coffee maker became. Easy and effective cleaning. My coffee tastes better and the system works more quickly. These pods are a lot easier than using vinegar to clean the brewer. They appear to work well. There was no aftertaste. Number 4. Keurig 3-month Brewer Maintenance Kit. Ensure your coffee maker always brews at its best. This kit provides everything you need for optimal performance. Regular maintenance is key to great tasting coffee. This kit includes all the necessary components to keep your machine in top condition. Inside, you'll find descaling solution to remove buildup, water filter cartridges for cleaner water, and rinse pods for a thorough clean. This maintenance kit is designed to work seamlessly with your Keurig Classic and 2.0 series coffee makers. With a 3-month supply, you can enjoy consistently delicious coffee without worry. It's a simple way to maintain your brewer. This 7-count kit offers a complete solution for your brewer's needs. Keep it running smoothly and your coffee tasting fresh, month after month. What we like? Get everything you need for a comprehensive brewer clean in one package. This kit includes not only descaling solution but also water filter cartridges for improved taste. If you want a hassle-free, all-in-one solution for maintaining your coffee maker's performance and water quality, consider this kit. What people say. The descaling solution effectively removes any mineral deposits and buildup inside the machine, while the water filter cartridges help maintain pure and fresh-tasting water for brewing. It eliminated the lime scale buildup and restored my machine's performance to like-new condition. After running the descaling solution and following the instructions, it was like magic. The coffee pot side now brews the correct amount again and the whole machine feels like it's working like brand new. Number 3. Essential Values Descaling Solution. Tired of limescale buildup affecting your coffee? Our powerful descaling solution is designed to tackle tough mineral deposits, ensuring your machine runs smoothly. This versatile cleaner is perfect for a wide range of automatic coffee makers and espresso machines. Keep your beloved appliances in top condition. Limescale can impact the taste of your coffee. Regular descaling with our solution helps restore the pure flavor of your favorite brews. Simply follow the easy instructions to decale your machine. You'll see effective results, ensuring better performance and longevity. Protect your coffee maker and espresso machine investment. Consistent use of this descaler will help prevent costly repairs and maintain optimal brewing. Each bottle provides multiple uses, offering great value. Keep your machine descaled for longer with this convenient and effective cleaner. What we like? This liquid descaler is versatile and works with a variety of popular coffee machine brands. It offers multiple uses in a single bottle for convenience. If you own multiple types of coffee or espresso machines and need a reliable descaling solution, this is a great option. What people say. The descaling solution is specifically designed to remove mineral buildup and limescale that can accumulate over time in coffee makers. It effectively tackles the hard-to-reach areas of the machine, including internal components and water lines, restoring them to their optimal functionality. It works seamlessly with other popular brands such as Nespresso, Brewer, and various coffee pots and espresso machines. This versatility makes it a convenient choice for households with different coffee makers, allowing you to maintain all your machines with a single solution. The clear instructions make the process straightforward and hassle-free, allowing you to maintain your machines efficiently. Number 2. Coffee Machine Cleaner Descaler Tablets, 24 count. Keep your coffee machine in top condition with these powerful cleaning tablets. They are designed to effectively remove scale and residue, ensuring a perfect brew every time. Over time, scale buildup can affect the taste of your coffee and the performance of your machine. Our tablets help restore both, so you can enjoy the full flavor of your favorite beans. These versatile tablets are compatible with a wide range of popular coffee machine brands. Whether you have a Nespresso, Keurig, Ninja, or DeLonghi, they are designed to work seamlessly. Using them is simple. Just follow the instructions for your specific machine, and let the tablets do the hard work. It's a quick and easy way to maintain your appliance. This pack contains 24 tablets, providing you with multiple cleaning cycles. Ensure your coffee maker always delivers a delicious cup with this convenient supply. Perfect for both drip coffee makers and espresso machines. They effectively decale and clean all types of coffee brewing systems, ensuring optimal function. What we like? With 24 tablets, you'll have plenty of cleaning power on hand for months. These tablets are compatible with a vast range of coffee makers, from drip to espresso. If you prefer the convenience of pre-portioned tablets and want a solution that handles various brewing systems, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The Descaler tablets worked great. I ran one tablet through the machine, then 2 rinse cycles with plain water, and the coffee machine is brewing like brand new. No vinegar aftertaste either. The coffee machine cleaner worked as well as using white vinegar and water. It was quicker and easier to use. After cleaning, I could tell it worked because the volume of water increased for each cup setting. These coffee maker cleaning tablets from Active work really well and feel like a quality product. The tablets are individually wrapped, easy to use, and the instructions are clear for both single-serve and multi-use machines. It's reassuring to know they're designed to decale, deodorize, and refresh. Number 1. Keurig Brewer Cleanse Kit. Ensure your Keurig coffee maker always brews at its best. This kit is designed for optimal descaling and maintenance. It includes everything you need, a powerful descaling solution and convenient rinse pods. Get ready for a superior coffee experience. This kit is compatible with both Keurig Classic 1.0 and 2.0 K-Cup pod coffee makers. Enjoy a clean brew no matter your model. Regular use of this kit helps remove mineral buildup and scale. This means better tasting coffee, cup after cup. This convenient 5-count kit provides multiple cleaning cycles. Keep your machine in top condition with ease. What we like? This kit focuses specifically on the essential steps for brewer descaling and overall maintenance. It provides a targeted approach to keeping your machine running smoothly. If you're looking for a straightforward kit focused on descaling and basic upkeep for your Keurig, this is a practical selection. What people say. The cleaning power of the descaling solution was really impressive. It was satisfying and gross to see just how much gritty, white, mineral junk was being cleaned out of our machine. It worked perfectly, and I will have a treatment for the next cleanse. It was quick to clean, even running a half-dozen cups of water through to flush it after. The descaling solution works its magic by dissolving mineral buildup that may accumulate over time, ensuring my Joe is brewed at the perfect temperature for that impeccable taste and tantalizing aroma. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.